In times of profound distress or odds, persisting in a dedicated and consistent daily practice can offer solace and the prospect of divine intervention. As a devout practitioner, I have personally experienced the boundless compassion of my Lord, who possesses unparalleled benevolence and knowledge. He attentively hearkens to the supplication of every individual, and his knowledge encompasses all. In the event of profound distress, it's advisable to prioritize one's spiritual well-being. As a starting point, when the melodious call to Asr prayer resonates through the ears, it's prudent to promptly cease all worldly engagements. Proceed to cleanse oneself through the sacred act of ablution, purifying not only the body but also the spirit. Subsequently, journey towards the consecrated sanctuary of the mosque, a place of divine communion for prayer. Following the observance of the prayer, it's a judicious course of action to engage in supplication, a profound act of imploring the divine. With the grace of Allah's benevolence is boundless, and He is inclined to receive the answer every sincere prayer that emanates from a humble heart. When we plead with Allah in hope, our prayer acts as a catalyst for the end of suffering, as the benevolent hand of the divine relieves our troubles and soothes the weary heart. On a daily basis, earnestly beseech Allah for forgiveness, for this care act holds the power to cleanse the soul and bring solace. In moments when the burdens of the world weigh heavily on your shoulders, it's imperative to reflect upon the temporal nature of this existence. The world as we know it shall inevitably cease to be. This profound truth is exemplified in the finality of human existence, whereupon a person's world concludes at the moment of their passing, and the departed don't return. Thus, it becomes increasingly prudent to seek refuge in Allah, the Eternal and Merciful. When you approach Him with the hopeful fervor of prayer, rest assured that Allah in His infinite wisdom will graciously intercede to dispel your worldly concerns and usher in tranquility. Trying this practice even once can serve as a transformative experience for people burdened by multiple problems. In today's world, many people have become engrossed in the worldly pursuits, unknowing, neglecting their spiritual connection with Allah. It's vital to comprehend that Allah is both the source of distress and its ultimate alleviator, and the most tranquil and harmonious life can be found with Islam. Regardless of where one may journey in this world, if one adheres to the tenets of Islam in their daily life, then it's only through Islam that true serenity can be attained. In the current era, financial wealth may abound, yet inner peace remains elusive. It's Allah only who can bestow the profound sense of tranquility.